This is what to expect when you vendor at a market for the first time. My lips are clammy. My name is Vince from Studio M Art Collection. I am the husband of our beautiful artist who runs basically Studio M. She runs everything on the creative end and I run everything on the back end. This is our story. I remember as a kid, we went to Comic-Con for the first time and we enjoyed it a lot. Back in 2022, when the pandemic stopped, we went to our first anime convention. We didn't know what to expect out of this convention. We went to the convention just to kind of browse and also just see what's there. I remember during this anime convention, we had a light bulb moment. We were looking at the art and then we made eye contact and then we looked at the art and then we made eye contact. I think it was me, but I remember saying, oh my goodness, you can 100% do this. To top it off, we actually had family who also started this journey. Shout out to my cousin, Atale. I can't even say it. Shout out to my cousin, Atashina, and she was vendoring for the first time there as well. That same year, we entered our first Comic-Con here in our city. That first show that we had was a crazy learning experience. We learned everything from pricing, to the money coming in and coming out, to the booth setup. We had a lot of different things that we learned there. To put it into perspective, we spent about $8,000 and then we made back $8,000 and we were kind of stuck with stock. There was a lot. There was a lot of different things that we basically learned. And we are super excited to kind of share our wins, and we're so excited to share our opportunities just because we're still new at this. And I'm 100% sure there's an artist somewhere out there or a creative somewhere out there who might be either asking the same questions or maybe already going through the same experiences. And if you are thinking about being a vendor at these conventions and or just want to make different things, this is the time to do it. To our creatives and also our fellow artists, welcome. This is the perfect place for you. And we are super excited for you to share your ideas, share your thoughts. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna have a separate video that talks basically about our experiences in this first convention. And we will kind of just take a look at it in a more mature level, if that makes sense, since we have grown 3 years. And if you guys have any kind of input, and also if you have anything that you want to share, we have our Discord. We also have our comment section, and we always look at our comment section since we are kind of new to this. We want to kind of experience the creative world here in YouTube, and we want you to be a part of it. Having that said, I wish Maine was here. Anyways, how do you end YouTube videos? I don't know. Do I just say goodbye? Goodbye.